Hi, this is Josh with Resort TV 1. Today I'm taking you on an ultra low light ride through on the seas with Nemo and Friends in 4K. We hope you enjoy the video. And we're lucky to have a beautiful day outside to film today here at Epcot.
Hello, explorers! Please remain seated. Hands, arms, feet, legs, and fins inside your ship. Be sure to supervise your movements, however.
Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con las manos sus pies, piernas y orejas dentro del vehículo. Y no se olviden vigilar a los pequeñitos.
Hello, explorers! For your safety, please remain seated. Hands, arms, feet, legs, and fins inside your ship. Be sure to supervise your
Nemo! Nemo! I am not going to lose you again. Do you hear me? Nemo! Nemo! Where are you, son? Nemo!
eyes on the way. Let's go explore, explore, explore. Let's go explore the big blue world.
Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, science is great, there's so much to know. Why don't you explore this much?
White stripes and kind of like you, only smaller.
Yes! Have you seen her?
See who? Hi, I'm Dory.
I am looking for my son!
Ooh, I can help.
It's Nemo!
Where?
No, that's right.
Right.
Nemo! Where are you, Nemo?
Who's Nemo?
He's my son. You know that. We eventually get on with this. Stop playing games!
Kind of like you, only smaller. I love games. See, now I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a
Jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of balloony.
That's jellyfish!
You're good. And I'm thinking.
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Stop playing games!
Games? I love games. Ooh, I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of balloony.
It's jellyfish!
You're good. And I'm thinking.
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Stop playing games!
I love games. I'm thinking of something. Can I get a little light over here? Kinda dark. It's echoey in here.
Dory, do something!
Swallow home.
Stop moving around!
Nemo! Why don't you drop by for a little bite? Oh, what I'd give for a little bite! Fish! Where are you? Every second I hear
Nemo! It's the AC! But I've never been in the EAC before!
Just put your friends out.
Well, that's all for our 4K ultra low light ride through on the seas with Nemo and Friends. We hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell to enable those notifications so you know when we upload a video or go live. Also, make sure you check out our sponsors, mickeyblog.com and mickeytravels.com, as well as windowrepairparts.us. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye. Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.